Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 CBR600RR Supersport, fuel injected, liquid cooled, 600 cc's, beautiful satin black, only 7,260 miles on this gorgeous Supersport. Come by, check it out. Make your Supersport dreams come true here at Contra Costa Powersports for only $67.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.